I'm going to show you today how to start buying shares from Nigeria, from Africa, using the Trove app. Trove is Nigeria's pioneer stock trading and investment platform that allows you to trade global stocks from the comfort of your house for as little as $10. That is about how much again? So let's say it's 750 Naira, that is $1. So $10 is about maybe 7,000 Naira, something like that. So Trove was developed to provide smart, secure and safe investments to a lot of people living in Africa and anyone who is looking to make smart financial choices can use this app to secure their future. When you talk about building app, when we talk about doing amazing things and making sure that things go right, this is that app. So the first thing you're going to do is head over to your Play Store app, Apple or Android Play Store app, and type Trove, Trove, and here you have it. It comes like this. That is the symbol. All right, now because I already have it, it's just telling me to update, but you're going to see install. You tap on the install button and download it into your phone, and that is the first step. So it has been made so simple. Buying shares in the US stock market can now be so seamless. Trove has so simplified this process of investing down to just few clicks. So there are things you need to know. Okay, when you download it from your app store, your Android or iOS Play Store app, the first thing you need to do is you're going to tap login. The sign up process doesn't take long. It just takes about 3 to 5 minutes and everything is set up. So it will ask you for your name and your email address, and it will ask you to set a strong password. That means it needs a combination of numbers and letters. And then if you have a referral code, you can key in your referral code. Once this is done, it will ask you a series of questions about your investment profile, like how much investment experience that you have, your sources of funding, your liquidity, your risk tolerance, and if you're politically exposed. This is for US, for people that are in US and as well as Nigerians, then you can do that. And once you're done, you go to the next step. In the next step, you're going to complete your profile by answering a couple of questions. Okay, things like your personal information. You have to make sure you have your national ID card and your residential information, your occupation, your next of kin, your bank account details, because you're going to be moving money from your local bank account into your Trove app wallet, and it's going to ask you for some information, and these information are required by the federal law to collect them to prevent fraud and money laundering. So once you're done with those parts, you're going to do something else. You're going to upload documents. Okay, and that is why using the phone makes it so seamless. So the first one is a selfie with appropriate clothing. So you just place it, there's a circle, and once you put it on your face, it gets the image of your face, and then you upload your ID card, either your international passport, driver's license, national ID card or voter's card. You can upload also your utility bill, so that it will, or your bank statement. This is to get the, make sure that your address makes sense. And then that's the process. Now let's head over to how to fund your wallet. Definitely I won't be signing up because I'm not a new person. I already have this app and I'm going to be logging in. So it will ask me for my email address. So mine is already safely secured here, so I'm just going to put my email and my password and it will let me in. So to buy your stock on Trove app, you need to fund your wallet. There are actually 2 wallets in your Trove account. All right, we have the Naira and the dollar wallet. So the Naira wallet is for buying Nigerian stocks, bonds, while the dollar wallet is to buy US stocks. So to make it easy, you come to this place. This is actually how it looks like, but your account is going to look like this the moment you have been verified, because when you upload all your documents, they are going to take some few days to verify you, to make sure everything is in order. So this is where you're going to come. You see here they wrote fund portfolio. Okay, so you tap on fund portfolio. It's going to ask you, how would you like to fund your portfolio? The Naira funding or the dollar funding? So add funds directly into your US portfolio in Naira, and that is where we're going to start from. And I will tap it and I'll click on continue. Super easy. So the first option is bank transfer. The second option is Naira card payment, where you use your ATM card. The third one is using barter. The fourth one is using Paga. Can you see I'm already highlighting the bank transfer because this is the one I usually prefer. So because it's already highlighted, I'll click on proceed. Second thing is going to ask me is how much do I want to deposit? As far as it is not less than 100 Naira. So I can deposit 500, 700, 1,000, 10,000, 15,000. So let us assume I want to deposit 10,000 Naira. So I'm going to put in 10,000 Naira and I click on next. Follow me. Can you see this? It will tell me that they are charging me extra 125 Naira, 94 kobo, and that is the processing fee. So what I will be debited from my bank account will be 10,125 Naira, 94 kobo. That is, so they won't take any other extra amount. And you can see here, currently, as at today, when I'm doing the video, it is 751 Naira, 751. That is how much it is worth for $1. And what I'm going to receive when this money leaves my account from the Nigerian account, what I will receive in my wallet is $13.32. If I click on pay this amount, please transfer this amount, and once I do the transfer, I will click on proceed. So this is what they are going to do for me. They will give me an account number. Okay, so I'll be giving a special account number. Hold on. All right, so you can see they are actually giving me an account number that I'm going to use to make this payment. So I will click on pay and this account number will pop up. So this account number is only linked to me. No one else can use it. So can you see it? It's account details. So you can see the total value. You can see the account number. Trove uses Wema Bank, and you will see Trove Trading Services Limited. And I have just 1 hour for me to make this payment. Mind you, this payment can only take place in my own account. It's specialized. After 1 hour it expires. I cannot even use it again, and no one else can use it. It is made this way for security purposes. And when you have finished doing your transfer, you come over here and you tap this button that says I have made this transfer. Okay, I have made this transfer. And once you do that, Trove will send you a message and say your payment has been made or your payment has been confirmed. So you're going to wait until they confirm, and that will happen in 5 minutes. If the payment doesn't go through, they will let you know that that payment has not gone through, and that is it. Once you finish that, you can simply leave this section and then go back to your page. So right now, let us assume that you already have. So I have this amount of money I want to use for the purposes of this training. So I have $77, and now within 24 hours this amount is already in your account. So whichever amount you have done, it has been converted, and now you're going to see this value in your US portfolio. So you're going to see this particular value in your portfolio. What do you do next? The next thing to do is to buy your stocks. So now the question is, how do you buy your stocks? So the first thing you're going to do is click on the search button. There's a search button up here in front which you can use. All right, all you need to do is to tap on it and type the name of the stock. So I believe by the time you get to this level, you already know the stock you want to buy. It's either you're buying the stock for long-term purposes, you want to buy them and they'll be paying you dividends, or you're buying the stock so that they will increase in value capital appreciation. When you buy at $10, it goes to $11, $12, $13, and that is what I mean by that. So I can type, for instance, affirm. This is one of the stocks I want to buy for the purposes of this training, and you can see it's popping up already. It will give me affirm. Okay, it will give me affirm. So alright, so I'll click on affirm and I will see everything I need to see. Great. So this is affirm, and this is as at today. Affirm is at $10.06. Okay, fantastic. This is one stock that I love to buy whenever it drops to $10 or $9 and something cents. So I will click on the buy button first, and it's going to ask me how much do I want to buy. So I have here, you can see here, it's telling me my buying power, and over here it's telling me the share price, and over here on top is telling me market buy. Market buy means I'm buying it at the price it is at the moment I am making this purchase. If I want to buy this stock and I want to buy it cheaper, I will click on this cash and I will look out for limit buy. You can see this one called limit buy, the third option. If I click on limit buy, rather than asking me, it will tell me that I am about to make a limit buy. That means it will be filled only when the price I want, the stock goes down to the price, and I'll say got it. So I'll come in here and I'll say this stock is at $10.05. I want to buy this stock at $10. Okay, sorry. So I want to buy this stock at $10. Okay, and I'll do okay. So it is going to ask me how many shares of the 10 do I want to buy. I can say I want to buy 5. It simply means I would like to buy 5 of these shares when the price comes down to $10, and I will click. Can you see? I've keyed in 5 here, and the total cost is now $50. Now remember the price is $10.05, and I have 77. So I have enough money to buy it at $50. That's what it means. So I'm going to click review cost, and once I click on the review cost, it will ask me to swipe. If it asks me to swipe, that means I'm agreeing that anytime the price comes down to $10, it will pick up this 5 shares for me and will buy it. But because I'm not buying at this particular amount, I'm going to cancel it. But this is something I want us to know, that it's this particular order I'm placing is only for today. If at the end of market closing the stock market price doesn't change, it will cancel automatically. So tomorrow I have an opportunity to set another price. But if I want to buy at the current price it is at the moment, I will pick the market buy. So I will pick market buy. All right, I'll pick market buy, and that means I'm buying it at $10.05. Okay, can you see that? $10.05. Remember I have $77. So I'm going to come in here and I will type I want to buy it at this price, but I want to buy $50. So I'm not going to get up to 5 shares because of this extra cost. And secondly, they are still going to charge me service charge for buying the shares. Can you see it here? That is the service charge. So they're charging me 0.5. Can you see that? So if I agree, I will click on review costs, and then it will tell me, can you see here? It's telling me that it's not up to 5. I'm going to get that $4.09, which I may not like. So I may wait for it to drop further to $9, 9.90, 9.80 before I buy. But the moment I click on this swipe, the moment I swipe to buy, it will automatically place the order for me. If I do swipe like this, just watch what is going to happen. So it's going to ask me that the order has been placed. Can you see that? It's telling me that order of this value has been placed and I have been charged this value of money, 0.5, and I'm going to receive mails instantly. You can see these mails that I'm just receiving now. So I'm going to receive mail confirming that this amount has been spent to buy this value of shares, and I can click on done. And then once I go back, then I would notice that I can now go to where my shares are. If I click on the US portfolio, it will take me to my shares.